to go. Like I say, more to come, more to go. Whatever the heck that was supposed to be. Oh, what's up? I'm back again, y'all. Okay. Oh, look at this character here. Who is this, I wonder? Coco Melon. I see. All right. All right. So, yeah, for doing this show for everybody to watch, you know? Uh-huh. It's a loving family. I love this, you know? Came on a bus earlier. Uh-huh. One. Just like at Naomi's birthday party, you know. Uh-huh. Oh, look who's here. Did Ryan come too? Let's see where all that stands. Where the stats is, you know. I don't know where everybody else's video is going, but mine's going on YouTube, you know. All right. Mine is definitely going on YouTube, you know. Hey, Rakita. All right. Let's get relaxed. Wet Blossom, man, there she is. Uh-oh. Somebody slipped and fell. I don't know, but I don't know if that was caught on camera or what. Carter slipped and fell, you know. So, everybody catching them on camera, you know. So you see, ladies and gentlemen, at a kid's birthday party and stuff like that, you know, the first birthday party and everything. So everybody have fun on a ride like that. All right. All right. All right. So as they go and walk it, what was up? Oh, you doing your show? I'm doing mine. Well, Instagram Live and I'm doing Facebook Live. Eventually on YouTube, you know.
Paper Plan 17.
All right.
Man, I lost my GoPro, dog.
You lost your what?
My GoPro.
GoPro, what's that?
You gotta get one.
Oh, all right. Oh, where did they go? Oh, this away. All right. So I guess they went this away. Okay. All right. Oh, there they go, right there. Read the sign. Santana, happy birthday. Not really an Easter baby, you know. May Terry's first Mother's Day. Y'all see? Okay. While the kids over here is having fun, you know, and everything else, you know. All right. So we're gonna water clear drippings. Okay. So what else is next? You know, Shamika, Eastland, and Brooklyn could have came and have fun. You know. Where Ryan at? Huh? Where the hell is Ryan? You know. My aunties could have came too. You know. All right. All right. I guess they'll be back eventually with the whatchamacallit, you know. All right. I wish Samara would have came. Huh.
See, that's all. That's it. Show me some pictures. Show me some pictures, man. Hey, tell her to show me some pictures. I don't know about that. I don't know about what kind of hair you have. We going to get a bad time. I know it's
All right.
I'm going to stand here and here. All the light. Big five, pretty. Every time the man don't play this, don't play that.
Huh. Hey, Riley. They're back. They're back. I guess they're gonna be running around in circles. I'm gonna wait till that new bus come back before I go anywhere. You know. They're back. I like that song. I don't need to walk around in circles. Walk around in circles. Walk around in circles. Walk around. Don't need to. I better stop singing. Uh-huh. Oh! Never mind that. All right. All right. Braylon could have came and rode on this. You know? Yeah, Braylon would have had so much fun. Yes. Braylon could have had so much fun. Look at Blossom. Hey, Blossom. Uh-huh. Let's see what a birthday boy had now. Oh, there he is. Right there. Happy birthday, Santana. Yeah. Well, I won't block nobody's shot, though. I won't block his shot, though. All right, then. So, hey, in there, try in there on me. All right. So, all right. So, that's about it. Oh, that's quite about it, you know. All right. So, when we say this and say that, you never know what was this or that, you know. All right. I don't know when it's gonna be on YouTube. To this, May the 1st, 2021. All right. All right. Happy birthday, Santana. Well, let's go speak to Thaddeus. Let's get his comment. All right, what's up, Thaddeus? What's up, Thaddeus? It's good to see you.
Gotta go get my shirt.
You have any comments?
It's good to see you again, man. It's always good to be.
All right, you on the show.
It's always good to be in your presence, man.
All right.
Always.
All right. That's what I'm talking about. Where's Dion?
Oh shit! I didn't tell her about this.
Oh man, I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry, ladies and gentlemen. My friend didn't even come. My other friend didn't even come. All right. All right. All right. All right. And cut. Hey, Cardi. Here's the birthday boy. Oh, here's the mama, y'all. All right, here's the mother, y'all. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the mother. Hey, here's the mama. And so here's the mama, y'all. All right. All right.
Thank you.
Let's go talk to the father again. All right, let's go talk to the father again. All right. All right, here's the father, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. Huh? What? Wait, hey, you're on the show, man. Well, stop all that, man. But anyway, this is a child's birthday party. I don't do that on the show. All right, so this the dad. I don't know why he's doing that right now. So anyway, never mind all that. What's up, John? All right, so anyway, what's happening? Patrick is showing off for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, you're just showing off. All right. Yep. I don't know why he's showing off at this time. Shame on him for that. Shame on you. Oh well. All right. All right. All right, here's the uncle, yo. Uncle Richard, what's that? Uncle Richard? Well, the uncle.
My name is Mr. Larry now.
All right.
I wouldn't let you do that.
All right. All right. Hey, Santana. All right. All right. No copyright infringement. Excuse me. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All
A
right.
lot of content.
Not yet though.
I'm on in there.
Oh yeah, of course. I filmed you in a few.
All right.
And this Facebook Live going on YouTube.
All right.
All right. All right. All right. No copyright infringement, y'all. All right, let's. All right. Hello. I'm good. Oh no, don't say that. Yeah, you're on TV. No, don't say that. It ain't like that. All right. All right. All right. I'm gonna stop this live stream. Well, wait a minute. If I stop this live stream, look what's going on. Well, where's she going? Never mind where she going. Probably. All right, now I'm gonna stop this live stream, okay? I'll be back.